In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Adobe Express. First, open Adobe Express. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. If you see a sign-in screen, go ahead and log in so you can access your projects and assets. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen with options to create new work or pick up where you left off. Next, hit Start New Design. This opens a new project. If you're prompted to choose a size, pick one that matches your goal, like an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a custom dimension. Don't worry if you're unsure. You can still adjust things later as you work. Now select any sample option. Adobe Express offers sample templates to get you going fast. Pick something close to your style or layout. A template simply gives you a head start, colors, fonts, and layout you can change at any time, so you're never locked in. On the left side, select Media. This is where you bring in your own visuals. You can upload photos from your computer, pull from your brand or libraries, or use integrated sources if available. Think of this panel as your asset hub for everything you'll place in your design. Open 2 sample photos. Having at least 2 options is helpful. One can become your background, and the other can sit on top as your main subject or decorative element. Upload them both so they appear in your media panel and are ready to use. Click the photo you want to use as your background. It will drop onto your canvas. If it doesn't fill the entire space, drag the corners to cover the canvas, or use any fill or fit controls that appear when the image is selected. If you see an option like Set as background, use it to snap the image behind everything and fill the frame. Make sure it sits behind your other elements so your content remains readable. Finally, hit Background on the left. This opens dedicated background tools and presets. Here, you can swap to a solid color, a gradient, a texture, or a pattern, or continue refining the photo you chose. Try adjusting scale, position, and intensity so your subject pops. If your foreground elements feel lost, tone down the background with lower opacity, subtle blur, or softer colors. Small adjustments go a long way toward clean, polished results. And that's it. You've opened a project, added media, chosen your image, and customized the background with control and confidence. Keep experimenting with different images and styles, and you'll quickly find a look that suits your